Yeah, my name's Tejay. I'm from Perth in Western Australia. I've had rotten teeth for years, probably growing up, being young, dumb and stupid, have, very sweet teeth and eating the wrong foods. I just got to the point that they started to get rotten, pain in some teeth, and then teeth getting pulled out here and there and everywhere. And then it just got to the point that basically almost had near on no teeth in my mouth. I only had about 3 or 4 up here and about the same down here. No molars or anything. A sense of relief, sense of accomplishment that, kicking myself in the arse going, this has taken me 5 or so years to really go, come on TJ, you need to do something about it. I've done something about it. And it's now given me a real good reason to smile. If I go and I find out that it's a thing, well, that's like I say, you never know if you don't go. So I put my trust in you and I come over here and I wasn't disappointed at all.
Let's follow Tejay, our client from Australia, through his journey at Thuy Dental Clinic.
Following an intensive consultation with our implant specialist, all of their questions were answered, marking the successful beginning of their journey to reclaiming a complete smile. To ensure the best possible preparation for the surgery, our state-of-the-art CBCT cone beam computed tomography system is utilized to provide a highly accurate visual assessment of the jawbone density. Based on these precise metrics, our specialists simulate and determine the optimal implant placement coordinates tailored to each individual case.
Afterward, the patient's dental impression is taken using modern 3D iTero technology, replacing traditional silicone and plaster methods. The 3D image data is directly transferred to a computer to construct a digital jaw model. Based on this data, the dentist and lab technician design surgical guides, dental bridges, or full-arch dentures with extreme precision, ensuring a perfect occlusal fit for the patient.
Stepping into Phase 1, Implant Placement Surgery. During the first phase, the implants are safely placed into the jawbone within a strictly sterile environment. Patient safety is rigorously guaranteed by an international medical-grade sterilization process for all instruments, ensuring maximum infection control. Thanks to advanced local anesthesia technology, clients can fully relax without any anxiety about pain. Premium implant brands like Dentium and Neodent not only offer exceptional durability and rapid osseointegration, but also come with warranties lasting up to several decades. Notably, a natural-looking temporary bridge will be fitted within just 24 to 48 hours to immediately restore chewing function in aesthetics. After approximately 3 months, once the implants are fully integrated with the bone, Thuy Dental Clinic will welcome the clients back for the final permanent bridge placement. This new set of porcelain teeth is custom designed to match the client's unique facial features and personal preferences, delivering absolute confidence. Thuy Dental Clinic does not just deliver a new smile. We offer lifelong care and companionship. No matter where our clients are in the world, their smiles will always be monitored, supported, and protected to the fullest by our dedicated team.